channel your inner kickboxer. We got a new exercise called kickbox walks. Try to say that 5 times fast. Yeah, go. Okay, anyway, here we go. Take it to the line. Kickbox walks. Progression 1. You can practice on the ground, but I don't think you need to. You get the idea here, real easy, real quick. Like, you're gonna take a step with the right foot, jab, right hand, jab, left hand. Now you're gonna take a step with the left foot, jab left, jab right. Bring the right back down to the hip so it's ready for the next transition. Take a step with the right, jab right, jab left. Bring the left down to the left hip, step left, jab right, prep right, step right, jab right, left, prep left. You guys get the idea? All the way across the line. Exercise 1. Now exercise 2 or progression 2 is on the ground. Ground exercise would be taking a step, kick, step, kick. Again, don't think you need it unless you want to just warm your legs up, stretch it out a bit, take it straight to the line. Whatever leg you're balancing on, you're going to start off the kicks with the opposite leg. So take a kick and step. Kick, step. No judgment here on how high your kick is. We're just going for a nice kick. It can be low, low. If you want to get fancy or challenge yourself, you can go high. Step. 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 All right. Cross the line with that one a couple times if you want. Get ready for progression 3, where we put them together just like usual. So, you're going to take kick with the right, right jab, prep the left hand. Kick with the left, left jab, prep right hand. Okay? Step up right, jab left, prep left. Oh, no, that was a kick. Make sure you get that kick. Okay, here we go. So much to think about. Here we go. Progression 3, put it all together. You're gonna take a kick, jab, jab, prep, kick, jab, jab, prep, kick, jab, jab, prep, kick, jab, jab, prep, kick, jab, jab, prep. Remember to breathe, find a drishti, move slow, get warmed up, move faster. Get the idea. Channel your inner kickboxer. Finish your videos, want to see it. Till next time.